Orange color correcting face primer from NYBay. Sounds new and interesting? If yes, want to see the demo or not? Keep on watching. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. Now I don't want to say anything, we'll just dive towards the video, but before moving ahead, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since it is absolutely free, if you want, even you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. And don't forget to like the video, because you people sometimes forget to like the video. It's okay, it happens sometimes, but don't forget to like the video. Right now, let's begin with initially the outer packaging. Today we are going to talk about, as you all know, NYBay Pro Primer Orange Color Correcting Face Primer. This is what the outer covering is. Not exactly outer covering. Outer covering was this kind of plastic wrapper. I have just removed it, and you all can see this is the main product. Okay, it comes in this kind of orange color. Okay, over here on the front, like from the tube itself, you all can make out this is orange. In this they have total two more, so altogether three variants. One is for orange, that covers the dark spots and pigmentation. The yellow one corrects and corrects discoloration and dullness, and the green one is for acne prone skin. Of course, during the demo also I think I have told you, but still once again I'm telling you. And it is like you all can decide which color correcting primer you all can go for. Right now, when you see the back side over here, they have given you each and every detail. The net content is 15 ml. It is made in India product. The shelf, it is manufactured in October 21 and it is good to go till March 24. So total 2.5 years of shelf life. It retails for 249 rupees, but as always during the sale times, and in any case Purple runs a lot of sales and offers. Like whether there is festival or there is no festival, it runs lot of offers and everything. So you all can check during the offers and all. They have sometimes 35% off, sometimes they have buy one get one free, sometimes they have some other offers, buy two get one free. So during the offers, and I'll give you my referral code. If at all you will use my referral code for your Elite membership, you will get some discount on your membership. I have not used anyone during my membership, but if at all you can use mine, then definitely you can save money, because at that time I was not aware. And yes, I pay my own money for the membership and for the products. This is not like sponsored by any of the brands or any of the companies. Okay, now I think I have not told you the net content. I think I have told you 15 ml. Yes, normally the primer, whatever primers we see, they comes for 30 ml. This is the half quantity. This is for 15 ml, and that is why the price is 249. If you calculate double, then it will be 500 rupees. So that is basically 500 rupees. That is the normal primer. So even this is, y'all cannot say this is very pocket friendly or very cheap. I should not say cheap, affordable, because 500 rupees y'all can get other primers also, and the same goes with this also. But in this they have good offers, so that makes it affordable, right? And backside, as I told you, over here they have given you each and every detail, and over here they have given you the net content. And if at all you all are purchasing the yellow one, then the outer one will be yellow. If at all you all are going for green, then the outer will be the green one. Now this face, right now the makeup which you can see on my face, the right side is with the primer and the left side is without the primer. So I am not sure whether y'all can make out any difference or no, but I can see. If at all I'm watching, like if I check my face on the camera, like not on the camera, in the mirror, I can see this side is giving me kind of smooth finish, and this is, for me personally, it is giving me little bit rough, little bit, not much, little bit. So this is a smoothening primer, I must say. Right now what we will do is we'll just move towards the demo of this particular primer. Yes, I already have prepped my skin, that is applied the moisturizer, not applied any kind of primer, because we are going to do the demo of the primer itself. So as I shown you in the introduction and everything, this is the outer, like this is the tube. It comes in a squeezy pointer tube like this. So what I'll do, on my half side, that is on my right side, I'll apply the primer, and on my left side I won't apply any primer. We will do without primer how the foundation wears off. so that we can come to know exactly how this works. So I'll just take a little bit. I am not taking much because basically I don't require any kind of color correcting primer, because the orange color corrector is basically requires for dark spots and to cover the pigmentation and all. And as you can see on my face, I have dark circles, not dark spots. So I am not sure how this foundation, like how this primer will work, but I have seen lot of brands coming with such kind of color correcting primers. So that is why I have purchased the orange one, because the yellow one and the green one is not actually for me. The yellow one I am watching over here, because I have noted here the yellow one corrects the discoloration and dullness, and I don't think I have dullness on my face. And green is for acne prone skin, and I don't have acne prone skin. So the best suited out of the three was the orange one. So I purchased the orange one. So on my right, as I told you, I'll just apply. I'm not sure how this will work. So not applying much, otherwise the foundation will become too orangey. So not applying much. Yes, of course, this is giving me smooth finish. I'll just take little bit extra because this is not enough. I'll just take to apply on my nose, and then we'll just spread properly. This is having fragrance. Yes, so after applying, I'll tell you whether the fragrance remains on the face or it just goes off. Yes, now the primer is already applied. You all can see on my right, I can feel it is little bit brightened up. The face is little bit brightened up, and on my left you can see it is not like that much brightened. I'm not sure whether the camera is capturing or no, but right now when I'm watching in my mirror, I can see this side I can feel little bit brighter. So now what I'll do, I'll just go off the camera, I'll apply the full face of makeup, and I'll come back, and of course I will tell you how the foundation goes on the primer side, right? I'll come back. Yes, now you all already have seen the demo. I'll just tell you 4-5 key features, because if at all I'll forget, then it is like right now I'm like checking in my phone. It is key benefits. It is matte finish, lightweight, quick absorbing, pore filling, velvety texture, soft and smooth base. Yeah, that is what their key features are. They have given you where all you all can apply. You all can apply over here, under your eyes, like around the mouth if you have pigmentation and all. Like they have given you basically all the details on the website, and how to use everything they have given you. So if at all you are a beginner, you all can definitely check my demo, or else you all can move towards, like you all can watch on Purple also. They have shown you all the, like in the pictures they have shown you how to apply and all. So basically I have tried to cover each and every point, but still if you are having any query or if you have any doubt, you can definitely ask me in the comment section, or else you can follow me on Instagram, because everything I cannot upload and everything I cannot do on YouTube. So sometimes short reels, some short reviews and everything I upload on Instagram. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll give you my handle also, so you can follow me over there. And if at all you have any other video suggestions which you want me to make a video on, definitely you can let me know that also. And if you are watching till here, that means you are liking my content. If yes, give it a huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, ask them also to subscribe my channel. And before going, I'll just tell you my lipstick details, because then you all must be wondering what I have applied on my lips. It is a combination cocktail of two products. Generally I don't do, but today I have done it. It is a pack color lock lip liner in the shade Plush, and I have applied the Color Bar Kiss Proof lip stain in the shade 007 Hot Latte. So that is what right now you all can see on my lips. And I'll just show you, before going, I'll just show you the demo of this particular, like not demo, the hand swatch of this primer. Actually I'll show you on my right side. You all can see. I'll just show you how this is, like the texture. Basically I have shown you. See, this is the texture of the orange color correcting face primer. Okay, and when you like spread it, it gets spread very easily with your hands also. So like you all can check on my hand also. This is with primer and this area is without primer. How it like gives you the glowy finish. You all can see this is giving me a smooth, like I can feel over here. And after applying this, the primer went on, the foundation application was very smooth. Of course, I can let you know that also. So, right, you all can see this. So, I've shown you each and everything, but still, as I told you, any query, let me know. Yeah, that's it for today's video. I'm wrapping up for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.